Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Manoa te a Mātariki me puanga no Ngāmotu. Tēnā tātou te whānau, tīmata tēnei kēmu. And Kate Davis with the ball. E rua mita anō.
Yep, had him.
Davis taking off the back of the ruck. Kapoi e piro ki a Riley Mitchell I te koko o te papa tākaro. Hami. Goodman and Goodman with the tiro there, hai tira piro. And once again, we're going for that kōkiri tōpu and hai tira piro. Great defence, but just making sure that you from Ngāmotu don't get too excited at those crucial times because they are getting caught offside. Great to see, well done. Max Hammond taking it off the back of that ruck. And here they hopefully they get the good strong clear from the ruck there. Levi Clements with the ball. Going to go around the have a go around the outside. No, and George Kane with the try there in the corner. Hurley. Nelly. Again, Goodman going through the middle. Strong. And thank you for listening in and watching into this game. It was a great game fought by two good teams, great teams.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.